Okay, so today is Monday. I recorded a video earlier today for the weekend, but to reflect what's going on. But today is Monday. I want to log the work that is going to happen and what's currently on my plate. I'm working towards the digital offer with a PDF. I receive a funnel for GHL to promote. The offer breakdown is the PDF, and then audio files for an upsell. I have some scripts and a workbook as order bumps. I need to create all of those assets except the PDF. I already did that. Then I'm also documenting my steps, not only through this log, but also on an actual Google document with slides, so I can also further create then a mini course, so I could promote that as well. Then of my method to do this. These are the different steps that I'm going to do. I created a pre-exploration for the niche, and starting with what is the end vision in mind to main offer, then creating the products. Then I'm going to set up the funnel on GHL with a VSL, then start a page likes campaign, then start create the meta ads with creatives and templates, and lastly, uh, scale up the posting to distribute content that is in alignment with the offer. Okay, so those are the things that I have in mind set up to do for the week, and once I um, once I complete the process, I'll release the type of offer is it. And this one is going to be a lifestyle product. Um, okay. So I'll pause here and then I'll see you tomorrow.